What's the meaning of Cree? Cree. Cree.
Cree. Cree. Cree can refer to either a Native American tribe in North America or a language spoken by that tribe. The Cree people have a rich cultural heritage and have historically inhabited areas of Canada and the United States. The Cree language is still spoken today, with approximately 100,000 speakers. It is known for its complex grammar and unique writing system, which uses a syllabic script. The Cree people have faced significant challenges and injustices throughout history, including forced assimilation and residential schools. However, there are ongoing efforts to preserve and celebrate their culture and traditions.